Lattics dynamic interface keeps you focused. You can hide the project bar on the left if you want. And the height of the tag column can be adjusted by dragging the separator. Click the focus mode icon at the bottom right to hide the entire interface, allowing you to concentrate on your creation. Additional information is presented in the form of a pop-up box by default. You can pin it on the right side and display it permanently so that you can check important information at a glance. Cards, references to article content, and footnotes can all be previewed and edited on the current page so that attention will not easily leave the content. You can even convert the edit box into an independent window so that you can edit multiple contents at the same time. Search results can be clicked for real-time preview, making it easier to locate the content you want. The graph panel can also be maximized so there is more space to organize content. Use the Ctrl-E shortcut key in the mind map view to pop up the editing box for real-time editing. From structure to content, master it all.